Okay, let's have a go at 16 then. We've got 5x squared minus 14x minus 3. Nicely arranged, quadratic in the correct positions that we would like it to be before we factorize. So there are a pair of brackets, 2 lines for the first, 2 lines for the second, lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Only takes a moment to do, doesn't it? So the key of the jigsaw, first line, first term. Here's the 5x squared. So it's not a lot of possibilities. It's just 5x times x, isn't it? Next piece of the jigsaw. Last line, last term. The last term is minus 3. Again, not a lot of possibilities. It's minus 3 times 1. The symmetry does matter because these are not the same. So it would be 1 times minus 3 also. So you've got 5 of these and so many 1 of these, 1x of these. So which one would give rise then? Because the last piece of the jigsaw is middle lines, middle term. So the middle lines, this times this and this times this. See the lines 2, that times 5x. And that times x is line 3. I'll put them there. What gives that? Must add up to minus 14. So you've got a 50-50 chance of getting it right straight away. But it looks like this one, doesn't it? So let's put them in. Let's see it. Let's confirm it visually, shall we? Minus 3 goes in so that you times it by the 5. And the 1 needs to go here, plus 1 to be with the x, yeah? So let's just write it out more tidily before we just double check to make sure we got it right. So we've got 5x squared. Great, that's that one done. Minus 15x plus x is minus 14x. That's good. And then the last line, last term, plus the minuses and minus 1 3's. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, good. So that product is naught then. So when does that happen? That happens when either the first constituent product is 0, so to speak, or it can happen when the second is 0. So this one and this one then. In the second one, just move the 3 over, flip the sign to x equals 3. And in the second one, move the 1 over. And then, oops, I'll just put it here, shall I? Divide by 5 both sides, x equals minus 1 over 5. Yeah, that's him. That's good. That's that done. Great, let's go on to the next one then.